what's going on.
You don't know anything,
I
right?
don't know anything. If somebody send a message and I
So
don't
this
know,
application, this platform does not have the notification, correct?
does it have the mobile app version?
No.
Okay.
So we can create a new like the
New user
client
story.
app.
Client
No,
app.
new client app.
Client app.
New client, that's the feature. Or that's can call the epic.
Okay.
Because
Many
mobile app can
features.
take longer time, implement, designing, implementing, consuming all the API. So that's not the business priority. At this moment, bring all the feature. So notification, when someone register, seller get the notification.
In this
When
part,
someone like what is called the buy a product, seller get the notification, right?
when let's say
When they initiate a refund, seller get a notification. When they give the product feedback, seller get the notification.
for the buyer, let's say when seller upload a new product on the website, buyer get a notification.
Buyer get a notification, hey, new product is updated. You see?
When
When it is
there a
opening,
yeah, when there is a discount.
yeah,
get
there is a notification. Make sense?
Yeah.
Notification can be directly. Of course, the buyer does not open all the time. How to do this? Send an email. Marketing.
It's called marketing.
So your job is to bring the idea to make the product, let the development team how to do this. So see this notification has a lot of user story. Nothing exists today, and you guys can build it. Very good. So
Yeah.
now you guys actually create a feature where in this in
Work
here.
item.
And then under the feature, each of these is
No,
gonna be
I'm adding you guys here. I'm adding you guys here. You guys are being promoted now. What is the name?
FH. MID, second one.
Okay. Fahmida. What is the name?
F or W.
Come on, speak.
M.
No, Fauzia,
yes.
you guys need to open your camera from next week, by the way. You need to engage, okay? It's only 3 people. If you do not engage, you don't know anything. It is very really conversation and it's very important. What is the name?
N.Fauzia.
Okay, Fauzia, okay. So I added you guys, sorry, added the project. So I added you guys in this. So you guys should be able to create a work item. You guys cannot do anything until you watch the last night. Shweta.
Yeah, that's the first priority.
Yes.
Okay. I'll make sure.
So last night was, you want to implement this? You want to implement this? Last night workshop is the actual last night technically was a workshop for you. Let's show you how to implement.
Okay.
Hands on. So write all this user story, create a feature, give the name and the buyer portal, seller portal, all the user story. That's all I want. And then once you guys are done, so you guys all work together, set up a meeting in the portal, write down together to follow this one, to follow this one.
As a buyer, how to.
Or user story, look each of the user story, look each of the user story. But this one is perfect. This one is actually planned and it is actually estimated in the planning meeting. Yes, Pranto can review you guys just write and you can say it's updated. That's it. Will be reviewed.
So so I wanted to think about the order. So we create an epic first.
You just create a feature at this moment. I did not tell you to epic. Nothing is epic.
No, it's because there's, 2 parts, buyer portal, seller portal. So I was thinking buyer portal could be one feature and then under that is the user
No.
story. No, not like that.
It can be like this, but for now, let's create a one feature.
Okay.
Seller,
This could be done, huh?
you should only which feature buyer.
You
or
can. And if you want to do this, you can. I'm fine.
So it's gonna be 2 features for.
Yes.
user story. Okay.
You guys can do this. And I'm not writing any user story here. I want to give you guys, your brain need to open. This one I did it.
Notification, right? Okay.
Good?
Mhm.
Plan? So how to watch the workshop? So go back in the,
YouTube?
no,
No, it's not YouTube.
in your step 2.
One stop solution.
No, you're not reading the chat even. My gosh. If you go your, okay. So go on your view. Again, has to be on the portal. And here,
Hands-on level show and tell.
yeah. Part 1, show and tell on writing user story. Exactly for you guys.
Okay,
1 hour, very precisely.
so you take 4 hours
Yes. Thank you, guys. That's it.
for today?
Yep.
Okay,
But I want you guys to catch up all your backlog. You guys have a lot. Do you know what the backlog means? So many things you have not done.
okay.
That's called the backlog. Okay?
Okay.
All this work need to be done. You guys get stuck, just simply say it is updated. Can you please review? We'll be reviewing. Once you guys do that part, get comfortable. You guys can write so many user story for this. Look at this. We're creating so much like a,
Manual test plans,
yep, it's a big picture.
sketches, template.
Yep, you can create the test plan, the user story for the API testing tool.
Oh yeah, we have our own API testing tools.
Yep, we have the tools here as well. This is the equivalent to the Postman. That's
Oh,
what we
you
built.
see all the Postman tools here.
Yep, we built it. We built ourselves.
It's like Agile.
But for you guys, I left the user story for you guys. So you guys can learn and open your brain.
Okay,
We are not, because when I tell my developer, he knows right away. But in a large environment, everything has to be documented. So you guys will be creating the user story for all of this. And you guys will be able to create the user story for this.
API testing tools.
Yep. And the more feature will be coming, you guys will be engaged with the writing the user story and know all of the details.
And you guys will review our user stories.
Exactly.
Okay.
Absolutely. Because now we are all in the same page, right? Now you're all in the same page. Now you don't need to, you just simply say, my user story is number. You give this number. The feature name is this and number is this. Good?
Yes.
Any question? Yeah, Faria, you can create the feature. I am fine. Create an Apex chat feature and the feature for the buyer, feature for the seller. You're absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Good. You're fine. See, yeah, it is already looking very good, huh? Looking nice, right? Looking
Yes.
clean. I give you guys one so you can see. But
Okay.
please do not cheat anymore. You guys are cheating with yourself. Stop that.
How do you cheat with?
Cheating means you are not doing anything.
Always to do my-
Taking action. Yeah, he's saying, oh, he didn't do anything. Pretty much. Right? You're not doing it. So what is called, what is the right word? Means you are given something. Oh no, what do you can say? Not paying it. No. No. You are not doing something. What do you call this? You are supposed to do something. You're not doing. No, what do you call it? You are neglecting the
Yeah,
responsibility.
neglecting responsibility.
Right?
Yeah,
Is that right wording?
I mean,
Yes.
you know that that's your responsibility.
Yes.
You're not doing.
You cannot say you are lazy. You can say you are not holding yourself accountable.
For that.
You are neglecting your responsibility. Those are very strong corporate wording. So let's not do from today. Because your end goal is to actually professional product owner, not the documented like the certified. Certified, we can work 5 days, you will be certified in 2 weeks. But that will not help you to know all this knowledge.
Yeah, before go to the job market.
Yeah. So once you guys will be doing it, and then you will be doing a lot of API testing forcefully to try it out the feature, your user story. Good?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you guys. Good. Any question? So make sure watch the show and tell. That was really for you guys. Very artificially has been done last night. So you guys can get the whole week action item.
Yeah. So the thing you posted, the hands-on and the lab.